Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is an unboxing video from Flipkart. Now let's open it. Here I'm taking a sharp blade. You can take any sharp object to open it. This is a nice trick to open things from online store. So by reading the title and seeing the image in the box, you may be knowing that what this unboxing video is for. So yes, it's a tripod unboxing video, and let's see how I received the product. I have received the product in a good condition only, as you can see it, and now I will show you how to fix those knots and how to use a tripod for making videos or capturing photos as well. So there are four knots. Then I have shown already two, and the third one, and there is one more I will show you after. Then we get that thing also where we will have to place our phone. This tripod will only work for mobile phones. Yeah, exactly at down there is a knot, I guess, and we have to place those mobile keeping one in there. Yeah, there is the knot. You can see that we have to press with the help of our thumb and put the knot right. So place it tightly so that your phone may not fall while capturing things. Okay, it's done. And then you can spread the legs also. There are three parts of the legs. You can just spread them. Not spread, that means like stretch them. Yeah, not spread. So to put it stable and so that it may be not shaky, you will have to secure this knot also. Yeah, it's almost done. Then it's tight. While capturing videos, you have to put all the knots so tightly. And this second knot you are seeing, to make that capturing things stable, you will have to put on that knot also tightly. But make sure that you may move the direction of it. Yeah, that is the direction holder. This is not a sponsoring video. Nobody have paid me to do so, and nor I am promoting it. I just made this video as a unboxing video haul. It's as simple as like that. Now to speak about the material, it's quite good. It's beyond expectation at the price $457. What do you expect? So it's quite good. Now to revive it to the original position, you will have to loosen all the knots. Just open all the knots and use it nicely. To make it more longer usable, you will have to use all things nicely, and if you don't use nicely, then it's sure to get break. And how much costly it may be, if you don't use nicely, then it's sure to get break. So now put all the legs inside by stretching it towards innerward. And loose all the knots. If you are thinking to buy a tripod, I will suggest you this one as a beginner. You can use it. So I will make sure that I give the link of this tripod material in the description box below. And if I missed out saying something about this video, then that also I will make sure to give in the description box below. This is the first time that I'm making a haul video, so I don't know what to say. Lose all the knots and keep in the box. To speak about the packaging, I love Flipkart's packaging. I never received broken things till now. And if you are a beginner, then I will recommend you to use this one. The link of it I will already give in the description. And the price I have already mentioned that I have received at rupees 457. So at that price, this is quite good. The only thing that I am little upset is height of it. It's not upon my expectations. So, but at that price, this is quite good only. Yeah. For beginners also, I will recommend this tripod to use it, and I'm sure that you will like it. The overall picture of the tripod, and subscribe my channel to get more haul videos. Like this video and share with your friends. Bye.